Lenders took the holiday from house hunting and writing contracts, reflected in this week's lower numbers. It's Friday, May 31st, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The Baltimore metro region buyer activity dropped this past week by 19.1%, while new inventory was up only 0.6%. The southern region buyer activity also fell 20.4%, and new inventory was down 5%. The Maryland Mountain region buyer activity saw a 40.61% drop in buyer activity, but Allegheny and Garrett counties were positive at 22.22% and 15.33%, respectively. Maryland suburbs saw buyer home tours down 7.92%. New inventory that hit the market fell from last week to 1,602. Fewer homes went under contract since last report at 1,568 and in 10 median days. 1,205 homes sold since last report at 100% list to sold ratio and in 7 days. Rentals available for lease dropped this week to 1,987 at $2,300 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 31st, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.